plug this phone up real quick. Okay. With the wind.
That was a hell of a good race right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Double battery, huh?
Yeah.
Fully Keystone, goddammit. Keystone. That's how I got trying to make me up.
Somebody just said. Okay, back on the Caprice. Talk about the Caprice again. I got the Mustang and the Caprice running, y'all. Mustang and the Caprice running. It cost a whole bunch to get both of them fixed, but both of them fixed. The only thing I need now is a tune, and them ain't cheap. 2 cars needing a tune. Tunes down here, I don't know where everybody, all y'all from. They taxing over here about 700 over here. If you want it from a good one, and hell, if you want some trash about 500. So hell, it's hard to shit. You can get some trash for 3 to 5. Alright, y'all, let's press that like button, y'all. Dale like button. Dale like. Dale. I haven't called the bomb tune yet. Well, he ain't gonna do it for free. I gotta be prepared. No, I do not have the drone. I did not bring the drone. I got good reason for not bringing it. Because everybody would have wanted me to fly for free, and it cost me $20 to get up in here today, y'all. It cost me $20. I can't get that back. I'm losing. So, Mustang getting it, but I still got the same sales slogan: you buy, I fly. Mario know. You buy, I fly. Some of y'all subscribe there. Look out, racing. This the moonshine truck right here, y'all. They got a big grudge race with the ICT Billy truck. So y'all gauge these trucks and look at it one time for the one time. See what y'all think. Mario just asked, do I do weddings? Man, I do everything. Weddings, football events, anything. I can get you play-by-play. Wedding, quinceañeras, parties, race car events, horse events, bike events, drifting events, anything. If you ever seen somebody do it, I damn sure can do it. And if you ain't seen nobody do it, I probably can do it. this the moonshine truck right here, y'all. Big brother. Moving to me. And then we're gonna take a look at what this truck doing right here and compare it to the ICT Billy truck, man. They betting a lot of money. It's a nitrous truck. Sound like it's ready. Hello from Ukraine. Hey, boy. Oh, that's a girl. Hey, girl. Oh, no. I can't bet with him. Hey, other side. How much y'all betting? Anybody y'all betting? You want this one? You want that truck?
Hell no, I don't want that.
Oh, I thought you want this. I was about to get paid on your one. Oh, I remember you, man. What's up with it? How you doing today?
Doing good.
It's that professional camera dude, man. Look, walking around here looking like he professional, man. Look at all this shit he got, man. I can't even.
Some light.
Nah, that ain't light. That shit heavy. Here, look at you holding it.
It's, huh?
It look heavy.
It's heavy. It's probably 10, 15 pounds.
10, 15. Ooh.
Pretty heavy.
This Dallas, Texas, y'all. For the new people that's watching on TikTok, make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Suscríbete en YouTube. Oh, the sticker. Somebody asked me for a sticker. I need